Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a hearing test on your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphone should be connected with your phone. Then you will see this line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line, and right here we have take a hearing test. Tap at this line, put your earbuds to your ears, and also need to find a quiet place. Click get started. So you need to select the information about you. No and no. Next. It will check for noises, and if you have quiet place you can click next. Next, next. Start the check. Click next, next. And now it will play the sound for you, and you will see the circle at the bottom. When you hear the sound, tap at this circle. So now let's click next. Next. Start. I hear it, so I click on it. Click. Also hear this. Right now I hear nothing, so I'm not click this circle. And I just finished for the left earbud. Now we move to the right. And I just did the right one. So we can check the results. And then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.